Having trouble receiving texts on Ultramobile? It's a common issue that can usually be fixed. Ultramobile operates on Verizon's network, so SMS messages are routed through their SMS centers. First, ensure your phone is registered on the network. On Android, dial star hash hash 4636 hash hash star to check your phone's settings. Also, verify your APN settings are correct. For Ultramobile, the APN should be wholesale. A simple reboot and toggling airplane mode can often resolve temporary glitches. Make sure your device's date and time are accurate, as incorrect timestamps can interfere with message delivery. If these steps don't work, the problem might be with iMessage or RCS. iMessage is Apple's messaging service that uses data, not SMS. Ensure your Apple ID is properly linked and you haven't exceeded any data limits. If you're switching between networks, iMessage can sometimes fail. RCS is Google's upgrade to SMS, offering features like read receipts. Ultramobile fully supports RCS on Android. Make sure RCS is enabled in your messaging app like Google Messages. To enable RCS, go to your messaging app settings. If issues persist with specific contacts, check your block list in your phone's settings. It's also possible that numbers were blocked by the carrier due to spam filtering. Contact Ultramobile customer service to resolve this. By mid-2025, Ultramobile uses AI-powered chatbots which have improved response times to under 24 hours.